Digging a deeper hole. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard, digging a deeper hole. This expression is not only vivid but also packed with meaning. Let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned. Digging a deeper hole is a metaphorical phrase used to describe a situation where someone's attempts to solve a problem only make the situation worse. Imagine physically digging a hole in the ground. The more you dig, the deeper and potentially more difficult it is to get out. This phrase applies that imagery to real-life scenarios, often involving mistakes, problems, or difficult situations. While the exact origins of digging a deeper hole are difficult to pinpoint, it's clear that the phrase borrows from the literal action of digging. Historically, digging has been associated with both constructive activities, like creating foundations for buildings, and with making mistakes or getting into trouble, as in digging one's grave. The metaphorical use of digging a deeper hole perfectly captures the essence of worsening one's predicament through further action. Using digging a deeper hole in conversation or writing can add a colorful and relatable element to your communication. It's typically used to advise someone against continuing a course of action that is making a problem worse. Here are a few examples. By lying about his mistake, he's just digging a deeper hole for himself. I realized arguing more would only be digging a deeper hole, so I decided to apologize. Every attempt to explain the misunderstanding seemed to just dig us a deeper hole. When using digging a deeper hole, it's important to apply it in contexts where actions are exacerbating a problem, not just in any problematic situation. Avoid using it to describe situations where someone is making an effort to genuinely solve a problem, as this can convey the wrong message. Understanding and using phrases like digging a deeper hole can enrich your English communication, making it more nuanced and expressive. We hope this exploration helps you grasp the phrase's meaning, origins, and use, enabling you to incorporate it into your own conversations and writings. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.